Now we'll solve exercise 2.5. Use suitable identities to find the following products. Okay, y square plus 3 by 2 into bracket y square minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, that is a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So we will have to write it in that form. Okay, here what is a? Here a is y square, and what is b? It is 3 by 2. Okay, so how will you write this? You will write this as a square minus b square. Okay, so now if you open the bracket, this will be y raised to 4 minus 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. Okay, so the answer is y raised to 4 minus 9 raised to 9 divided by 4. Okay, now we will solve this. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. Okay, 104 into 96, if we multiply we will get the answer, but we should not do it directly. So how will we do this? This is in the form of a plus b, that is 100 plus 4 is 104. So a plus b and a minus b. 100 minus 4 is 96. Okay, so how will you solve this? This you can write as 100 plus 4. Okay, into 100 minus 4. Okay, a plus b, a minus b. So this will be a square, that is 100 square minus a square minus b square. If you remember that formula, a square minus b square. Here b is 4, so 4 square. Now 100 into 100 is 10,000 and 4 square is 16. So what is the answer? 10,000 minus 16 is 9984. Now solve third one. Factorize the following appropriate identities: x square minus y square by 100. Okay, this is also of the form a square minus b square. Okay, so what is the answer for a square minus b square? In the identity we have learned, it will be a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so this you can write as x square minus y by 10, because square root of 100 is 10. Okay, and square root of y square is y, equal to a plus b. What is a over here? X, and b is y by 10. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Now let's solve fourth exercise. Expand each of the following using suitable identities: minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z square. Okay, now this is looking as which identity? This is looking as identity a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, so now what is a? It is minus 2x. Okay, a square plus b square. What is b square? 3y square. And what is c over here? 2z. So it will be plus 2z square plus 2 into a is 2x plus 2 into 3y into 2z plus 2 into 2z into minus 2x. Okay, if you remember the identity a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2 CA. Okay, this is that equation. Same form it is written. See here, A is minus 2x. Okay, A square plus B is 3y square plus C square. C is what? 2z. 2ab, 2 into A into B. Okay, plus 2 into BC, 2 into B into C, and plus 2 into C into A. Okay, so now if you solve this, it will be 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4zx. Now let's solve this. Okay, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so how will you solve this? You will multiply x with each and every term of this, then you will multiply z, you will multiply y with each and every term of this, और z को भी एक सभी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो पहला x को करते हैं. ठीक है, तो x इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई जेड माइनस जेड एक्स plus, since it is plus over here, okay, plus y into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx, and plus z, since it is plus over here, plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now if you open the bracket, what it will be? X into x square is x cube. Okay, x cube plus x into y square is xy square, x into z square is xz square, minus x into xy, what it is? X square y, minus x into y into z is x y z. Okay, and minus, since the sign is minus, x z into x, so it is x square z. Now if you open the second bracket, okay, so now this will be plus y into x square is x square y plus y into y square is y cube, then plus y into z square is yz square. Now minus plus plus is minus, so y into xy is minus xy square, minus plus plus is minus, so y square z minus xyz. Then the third bracket, okay, plus z into x square is x square z plus z into y square is y square z, z into z square is z cube, minus z into xy is xyz minus z into yz is yz square, and last one is minus z into zx is equal to z square x. So now on simplifying, what we will get? Now see here, x y square, this is plus x y square. Okay, so this plus x y square minus x y square get cut. Okay, now second one is x z square, this is plus x z square, and this is minus x z square, so this will also get cut. Okay, now the third one is x square y, this is minus, okay, and this is x square y. This is plus. Okay, so this also get cut. Okay, now the last one remaining is x square z. This is minus, and this is x square z plus, so this also get cut. There is y z square remaining. Okay, y z square is plus, here y z square is minus, so this also get cut. Okay, now this is minus y square z. Okay, and this is y square z plus, so this also get cut. Okay, so now what remains is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus, now this is 1xyz. Okay, this is one more xyz, and this is one more xyz, so it is 3xyz. Okay, so you can write this as identity number 8. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Let's solve 1/4a minus half b plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so how this is looking? This is a plus b plus c the whole square. Okay, you have to make it in this form. Okay, so what is this answer? Equal to, this will be a square. What is a over here? 1/4a. Okay, a square plus b square. What is b? Minus half b square plus, now what is c over here? 1, so 1 square plus 2 into a into b. What is a over here? 1/4a. And what is b over here? Minus half b. Okay, plus 2 into bc. What is b? Minus half b, and c is 1. Okay, plus 2 ca. What is c over here? 1 ca. What is a over here? 1/4a. Okay, if you remember that formula, right? Because we will write the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, now if we solve this, if you open the brackets, what will be? 4 square 16, and a into a is a square plus 1/2 square is 4, b into b is b square, minus will become plus. Okay, plus 1. Okay, then minus plus plus is minus. Okay, now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, so what will remain? 1/4ab. Okay, minus plus plus minus, this 2 will go, so what will remain? b into 1 is b. Okay, and plus 2 will go in 4 2 times, so this will be 1/2a. 1/2a. Okay, now let's solve 6th exercise. Okay, write the following cubes in expanded form. Okay, 3/2 x plus 1 the whole cube. Okay, now here it is in the form of cube. Okay, so this is, you will see as a plus b the whole cube. Okay, this is a, 3/2 x is a and b is 1. Okay, so how will we expand this? This will be 3/2 x a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. A is 3/2 x. Okay, and b is 1. Okay, 3a square b, a square b plus 3ab square. What is a? 3/2 a b square. B is 1, so 1 square. Okay, because a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this will be, now if you expand this, okay, open this, 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8 x cube plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 square 9, 9 3 is 27/2 x square plus 3 3 is 9/2 x. 1 into any number is the same number. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's evaluate the following using suitable identities. Okay, 99 cube. Okay, so 99 cube can be written as 100 minus 1. Okay, so it will be a plus b or a minus b the whole cube. Okay, so this can be written as 100 minus 1 cube. Okay, why we wrote this? Because we want it in the form of a plus b the whole cube. Okay, this is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so now if you open this bracket, what it will be? 100 cube plus, what is b over here? minus 1 cube plus 3 a square b. Okay, this is a square b. So what is a? 100 square b. What is b? minus 1 plus 3 a. What is a? 100. And what is b? minus 1 square. Okay, this will be 100 into 100 3 times. So what is the answer? 10 lakhs. This will be minus 1 since it is a cube, so sign will remain as it is. Okay, this is 100 square into 3 and so minus plus plus is minus. So how much is this? 30,000. Okay, and plus 300. Okay, if you solve this, what is the answer? 970299. Okay, now let's factorize each of the following. Okay, we'll take the third example. 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. Okay, now this is in the form of, we have to bring it in the form of a cube plus b cube by plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so how will you break up this? 27 cube root is 3, so 3 cube plus minus 125 a cube. So this is which cube? 5. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. 5a, the sign you have to keep as it is, minus the whole cube. Okay, you should not write it over here, there is a difference. This will be minus 5a cube, this is different, and this is minus 5a the whole cube. This cube will be applied to this also and this also. Okay, plus 3a b. What is a? 3. And what is b over here? Minus 5a. Okay, then plus 3a, this is 3a square b and plus 3ab square. What is a over here? 3. Okay, and what is b over here? Minus 5a. Okay, the whole square. Okay, we have to write the reason why we have done this, because a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, now what is a over here? 3. So this will be in the form of a minus b the whole cube. Okay, now let's solve this 9th one. Okay, first example. What it is? It is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, now let's solve the right hand side first. Right hand side is what? This one. Right hand side is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, now what you do? You will multiply x with this whole equation, y with this whole equation. So what it will be? It will be x into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, and plus y into this whole one. Okay, x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, now x into x is x cube minus x into xy is x square y plus x into y square is xy square plus x square into y is x square y minus plus is minus xy square. Okay, and plus y cube. Okay, now what will remain? See, this will get cancelled. This is minus x square y, this is plus x square y. This gets cut. This is plus x y square and minus x y square. It gets cut. So what remains is x cube plus y cube. Now what is the left hand side is here? What is the left hand side? X cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Now let's solve exercise 10. Okay, factorize each of the following. Okay, 27y cube plus 125 z cube. Okay, this is in the form of x square plus y square. Okay, so 27 can be written as 3 cube. 3 into 3 9, 9 3 is 27. This is 3y the whole cube plus 5 3 times, if you multiply it is 125 z the whole cube. Okay, so now this can be expressed as 3y plus 5z into square bracket 3y square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z the whole square bracket complete. Okay, why? Because this is of the form x cube plus y cube equal to what it is? X plus y into bracket x square minus xy plus y square. We have done the same. See here, what is x? 3y, and what is y? 5z. Okay, now this will be 3y plus 5z into, now if we open this bracket, what will be? 3 square is 9, y into y is y square, sign will remain same, 5 3 is 15, y into z is yz plus 5 into 5 is 25 z square. Okay, now let's solve 12. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to half x plus y plus z square bracket x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Okay, so now let's solve this. What is the solution? First we will solve the right hand side. Okay, what is the right hand side? This one, half into x plus y plus z into square bracket x minus y the whole square plus y minus z the whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Okay, so let's write it down. Square bracket okay, now we'll open the bracket. Okay, this will be half x plus y plus z. This will remain as it is. Okay, now let's open the bracket which is in the square bracket. This will be x, the expansion of x minus y the whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay, for this it is y square plus y square plus z square minus 2yz minus 2yz plus z square plus x square minus 2zx. Okay, square bracket complete. Okay, this is because a minus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now if we open that, half x plus y plus z, this as it is. Okay, this will remain as it is. Okay, and we will open that square bracket. Okay, this will be 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Okay, so now this will be equal to half x plus y plus z into bracket 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square. Okay, 2 is common. Okay, so we'll multiply 2 over here, we'll remove the 2 out. Okay, and this will be x square plus y square plus z square, and same we have to write, just the 2's we have removed outside since it is common. Okay, this will remain as it is, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so now these two will get cut, so what will remain? X plus y plus z into bracket x square plus y square plus z square. This will remain as it is. Okay, just copy it down. So now what is the right hand side? This was right hand side was this which we have solved, and what is the left hand side? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus this. You can observe it in the form of a plus b plus c into bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, if you remember that. And what is the answer for that? It is a cube. I'll write it down. Okay, it is a cube. What is a over here? X. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. 3abc. Okay, so therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Now let's solve question number 13. Okay, x plus y plus z equal to 0. Show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, so now how will we solve this? Now since we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, we know that. So now if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to, in place of x plus y plus z we will replace 0, so this will be 0 into this whole thing. Okay, what it is, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay, so now how will we solve this? This will be x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy equal to 0. Since 0 into any number is 0. Okay, this will be written as this. Okay, equal to 0. Now if we shift 3xyz on right hand side, what will be? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay, here we have proved that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Now let's solve 14 without actually calculating the cubes. Okay, find the value of each of the following. Okay, the first one is minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Okay, if we find out the cubes, it will be very easy to solve, but here they have told not to find out the cubes by multiplying. Okay, so how will we find it out? This is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So you know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Okay, now what is a over here? A is minus 12, b is 7 and c is equal to 5. Okay, so now how will we write? This is minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube equal to 3abc. 3 into a into b into c. Now if we multiply, the answer is minus 1260. Okay, we know that because a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So this question number 15. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Okay, area here is given is 35 y square plus 13 y minus 12. Okay, this is the area. Okay, so now how will we solve this? We'll split the middle term such that if we add the middle term like 13, here is this 13, so you can write 13 as 28 plus 15, minus 15. Okay, if you subtract 28 and 15, what you will get? You will get 13. Okay, so by splitting this middle term, you will get these two, so you will have to write plus 28 and minus 15. Okay, so this will be written as 35 y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Okay, equal to, now what is common in this? 35 and 28, what is common? 7 is common. 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. And what is common in this? 15. 3 is common. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Okay. So 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Now what is common in these two? Y is common, and what else is common? 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28. And what is common over here? 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. So 3 is common. Okay, so we'll write it down. 7y 5y plus 4 minus 3 5y plus 4. Okay, now 5y plus 4 is common, so 5y plus 4, 7y minus 3. So now the length is 5y plus 4 greater number, and breadth equal to 7y minus 3. Now 16th we'll solve. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given below? So this is the volume. Okay, what is the volume? Volume equal to 12 ky square plus 8 ky minus 20k. Okay, now what is common in all of them? 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 24, and k is common. So 4k removed outside. What will be left inside the bracket? This is left inside the bracket. Okay, now we'll split this middle term. How will we split this? Plus 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so we'll write it as 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Okay, so now what is common in these both? Y is common. Okay, so 4k square bracket y into bracket 3y plus 5, and what is common over here? 1. Okay, 3y plus 5. Okay, why we wrote minus? We want minus over here, so minus into plus is minus. Okay, so now take all the common terms together. 3y plus 5y minus 1. Okay, now the possible dimensions of the cuboid are 4k, 3y plus 5 and y minus 1. Okay, these are the possible dimensions of the cuboid.